horsepower Bridgeport with a 48-inch table. This unit is currently wired 440, but can also be wired 220. If you do want to wire this unit 220, there is some safety relays inside of the electric cabinet over here that they're 440 only. So if you want to switch over to 220, they are going to have to be changed out inside of there. Not a big issue. This unit also comes with a Metalworking depth gauge in the front, and also comes with an actual Servo power feed unit. Now the Servo unit and the Metalworking gauge, there is no warranty on these. These actually came in with the unit. If you decide that you do not want the Metalworking gauge and you want the scale, just a ruler and set on the side, we can take this off and put on a ruler free of charge for you. Comes with the drawbar. Now if you look over here on the ways, as you can see that the ways are in exceptional shape on these. I had this whole entire mill apart. I did. And I had the camera guy come out here and take pictures of the ways. The bottom of the table, the bottom of the actual slide, if you flip it over, the 4 pads are in excellent shape. It looks like they never moved this axis at all. This was the axis that was being moved all the time. Now on this unit with the servo motor, if you come over here to the back, you got 2 hard stops. That's it for your adjustment. There's no stop dogs to adjust on this unit. So when the table comes in and hits your button, you see it stops. Same thing when you come the other way, it stops. So also on the table, this has a new screw and a new nut in it. On your x-axis, and you come down here to the y-axis, you have a new nut on this. If you go to move this, they're a little snug. There is no binding. They're just tight because there's new nuts and new screws in these units. This one only has a new nut. This has a new screw and a new nut in it. You can still see it still moves with these. There's new wipers on the front and on the back over here. Get rid of all the nasty ones, so as you can see, as this thing goes back and forth, I mean, the oil is just pure clear. Everything's nice and clean. All the guards got taken off and clean. This unit here, you have about 5 thousandths backlash on your y-axis. Over here on your x, you have absolutely none at all. So you can see how responsive that is. Now to start this machine, this has a safety feature. If you listen, you hear the click. Now the relay is pulled in. You push it in, it drops out. So as of right now, as it's dropped out, the head will not engage. You pull out on this, now the head's running. Right now we are low. Now this head got taken apart, cleaned, and put back together. All the bushings are in excellent shape in this head, so the bushings did not get changed. All the bearings got changed because, of course, if we're going to go in there and take it apart, we're not going to put it back together with old bearings. So all the bearings have been changed in the head. The quill has been taken out of the housing. Everything's been clean. This unit actually has a new quill skirt on it. You can't even see it because it's so clean. I don't think you can get in there and see that. This does have a quick screw micro nut on here too, also for quick adjustment on your feed. As you can see, good. It's hard to get in here with the gauge on the front. So now we're going to switch our ranges. We're going to go from low to high. When you go switch your range, you always wiggle the quill. You make sure you're all the way dropped in, so you don't do any damage to the change gears. This unit knocks off on the upstroke and on the downstroke. Do the same thing on the upstroke. These actually have 3 different rates of feed. This is slow, this is high, this is slow, this is high. This is slow, and this is medium. You can see it'll knock off when it gets to the top of its stroke. To disengage your feed, just come over here and you disengage your wiring. Now this unit over here is a single shot Bijur lubrication system. You pull up on it, you give it a little wiggle, and it stays up. This has all been taken apart and cleaned. There's new oil in here. This also comes with a face shield. And it also comes with a work light. So over here on this side.
Mark line 1.
This unit also comes with an exterior transformer, so you can plug your servo and your work light into right here in the back of the outlets. This is our 2 horsepower Bridgeport.